Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Today I have the absolute pleasure to bring to you our latest arrival in this 2016 3-litre Jaguar F Type SV6. Absolutely stunning vehicle, and I must start by saying it has impeccable service history. This car has been nowhere but Jaguar for its routine maintenance, and having had 6 services in total, even with the low mileage on the car of just 26,946 miles, really does make it a very desirable vehicle. So as far as the service history is concerned, it was first serviced in August of 2017 at 6,450 miles. Serviced again in the August of 18 at 12,757 miles. September of 2019 at 17,521 miles. December 20 at 20,357 miles. January of 21 at 23,558 miles, and most recently serviced on the 10th of January 2023 at 25,680 miles. So only 1,300 miles ago was this car last service. Absolute pleasure to have in stock. And now that we've finished with the service history, I can also add that this car has £3,480 worth of factory fitted optional extras, which I'd like to show you into the vehicle now and demonstrate some of these features for you. Before we do head in, I can also add that we do have the premium palette metallic paint. So that's the Polaris white metallic. As we head into the vehicle now, just have another good look at those, because the alloys alone are the 19-inch gloss black Propeller style at £510. So without any further ado, let's take you inside the cabin. It's a very pleasurable place to be. As you can see, it's finished with the full ebony leather upholstery, which is in immaculate condition. And you can see the Jaguar emblem there on the infotainment system, ready to welcome us. So if we start the vehicle up, we have the purring sound of that lovely 3-litre V6. Just pop it into reverse. We have the reversing camera with guidance lines. And as I just pan down here, we have dual zone climate, the keyless entry and keyless go, choice of drive modes, and just down here we do also have an extended spoiler and the sports exhaust. Just pan back over here just to confirm the mileage there at just 26,946. We do also have other standard features such as your cruise control with speed limiter and flappy paddle F1 gear shift, should you wish to have a little bit more fun in the vehicle while driving. Satellite navigation as standard. Really is a superb vehicle, and I'm yet to mention, as I just take us outside the vehicle here, we cannot forget the glass panoramic sunroof. Really does brighten up the cabin, and I'm confident that this vehicle's next owner will absolutely adore this car. It's come from a very good home. As we've discussed with the service history, it's been extremely well looked after and really does stand out very well. So thank you ever so much for watching the video. I hope you found that useful, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.